This is my Traxxas Slash 4x4. And a few days ago, I stripped out the Spur gear. But luckily, I have a brand new one. So we're gonna throw it in the car, then take it outside and test it out. That was way too difficult. Next, I gotta put the pinion gear back in, but I lost the set screw for this, so back to the parts bin. There we go, it's all put back together. Now we can take it outside and test it out.
That sounded like it hurt.
Oh, I nailed that rock. Oh, man. Oh, oh, that didn't work. Hey!
You know it. Walking out.
Yeah! Oh no! Oh, that was a hard hit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another awesome video about this truck, you can click right here for that. And if you want to see a full playlist about videos on this truck, click right here for that, and I'll see you over there.